Good morning, student. Today I am telling about the class 8 subject math chapter 2. Chapter name is the linear equation in one variable. It is second video for class 8. Today is 15 June 2020. At first I am telling about the introduction of the linear equation in one variable. So in an one variable equation it is must one alphabet with equal sign. I explain according the example first. To choose which of the linear equation in one variable. Here 3 digits here. First x plus 7 is smaller than 5. It is the linear equation. No, it is not a linear equation because it has one alphabet but not equal sign. So it is not a linear equation. Second thing, B 3 plus 7 equal 8. It is the linear equation. No, it is not a linear equation because it has equal sign but no alphabet. So it is not a linear equation. Third, C 2x minus 3 equal 5. It is the linear equation in one variable. It is right because it has one alphabet. No matter the we have only x, we have any alphabet A to Z. So 2x minus 3 equal 5. It has one alphabet also equal sign. So it is a linear equation one variable. After that, I am telling about the example 2, solve linear equation according transposition method. Many methods there, trial and error method, transposition method. Today I am explain the transposition method because it is a very important method. X minus 2 equals 7, our second example. It is when must we have the two sides. Left hand side and right hand side. You listen carefully or I am given an introduction. Dear students, you follow the video to you open your NCERT books. After that you listen properly of this video. After that you solve the exercise 2.1. It has the LHS and RHS two sides. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Every time we put the LHS side alphabets, RHS side numbers. But here minus 2 digit in left hand side. So every time right hand side alphabet numbers, transposition on the left hand side. And numbers of LHS side in an equation to V transposition digit on the RHS side. We transport the digit or alphabet, but it is the listen carefully. It is the very important. We change the digit. So plus sign convert into the negative sign. Negative sign convert into the positive signs. So digit are transferred. Similarly in alphabet, positive alphabet convert into the negative, negative alphabet convert into the positive. Second thing, positive and negative I already tell about you, but divide digit convert into the multiply and multiply digit convert into the divide. So I explain the example to x minus 2 equals 7. So 2 here left hand side, we transposition of this digit minus 2 here we convert into the next step, minus 2 convert into the plus. So it is the transpose port. X equals 7 plus 2 9. So x की value we find the 9. Example third, 2x plus 5 equal x plus 7. Here x is the right hand side, but it is the necessary कि A to Z digit are converted into the left hand side. and numbers convert into the right hand side. So x convert into the left hand side and plus 5 convert into the right hand side. So here x plus, so we convert here in negative digit. Here plus 5 convert into the minus 5. So 2x minus x, x is the one digit. So 2 minus 1 we find the x. 7 minus 5, so we found the x is equal to. So I am explain the example third. Example third is 2x plus 5 is equal x plus 7. देखो here x in the right hand side, we convert into the next step in left hand side. 2x, it is the positive digit, convert into the minus. Similar, e plus 7 plus 5 convert into the right hand side, but plus digit convert into the negative. Suppose that it is the negative, to convert there in positive sign. It is negative to convert here. It is negative to convert here in positive sign. So we convert, it means multiply convert into the divide digit. Divide digit convert into the multiply sign. Positive convert into negative, negative convert into positive sign. X equal 2. Example 4. X, z upon 3. I change the alphabet, no matter the x, so we put the any alphabet A to Z. Plus 1 is equal 7 upon 5. देखो here plus 1 convert into the right hand side, so it's convert into the minus digit. So we find the LCM here. Because it is the denominator, z upon 3 equal LCM is 5. 5 1 is 5, so 7 into 1 7. 1 5 is 5, so into 5 minus 5. So z upon 3 equals 7 minus 5, 2 upon 5. 3 is the divide here. So next step, z equal 2 upon 5, but it is the divide, so here convert into the multiply. So z equal 3 2 is 6 upon 5. It is solution. We find the value of z. So dear student, it is the explain of exercise 2.1. So I given the homework for all the students to solve exercise 2.1. All the examples I explain it, so whole exercise 2.1 similar of these examples. So dear student, I hope that you explain, listen carefully and solve the exercise 2.1. Thank you. Have a nice day.